Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a few tips to do if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory on the OPPO A1. So when I have a problem with my headphones or any other Bluetooth application, gadget, I'm always starting from the simplest way, just restart. So go to the settings, choose the Bluetooth, and switch it off, and switch it again to restart the Bluetooth connection. After that, you can also try to restart your phone by tapping the volume button, volume up and power, and just swipe it to restart. Little bit obvious, I know, but sometimes it works, so just try it. At the start, you have to be sure that your Bluetooth accessory have activated power mode. How to do it, you will find the manual to your device or maybe on your YouTube channel. And if you're sure that your Bluetooth accessory should be visible for other devices but still not for your phone, go to the settings, swipe down to the additional settings, and choose last option, the reset. Now tap on the reset phone, and how you can see that network settings is here and the Bluetooth is included, so just tap on it, enter your pattern, and tap on the reset network settings again. After that, look for the device on the Bluetooth list. After that, you can also try to update your system, so go to the about device, tap on the ColorOS, and if you have an update, just download it and install. And the last recommendation from me, check your Bluetooth accessory on your phone on other Bluetooth device to check which one is visible, which one making a problem here. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a subscribe and a comment, and goodbye.